We found a helicopter.
These are heavy lifter helicopters. They're used to haul lumber and materials.
I see someone.
Oh, he's increasing his propellers. He might take off.
Oh my gosh. What is he doing here?
He's probably hauling materials. Some kind of construction. Light poles, electricity poles.
He's increasing the propellers, but he isn't taking off.
Should I pull back into a safer spot to sit and watch?
Nah, this is good.
Oh, there he goes. Let's see what he's pulling. Look at that. He could just lean out the window and look down.
That's getting louder.
Oh, I don't think he has anything yet. That line is... Now he was looking down. It's probably hooked to something. It'll get tight in a second here, I bet you.
There we go.
Maybe. Oh, it looks like there's something. Nope, just the pole carrier.
Can't really see it.
Yeah, it's in the sun. You want me to pull forward? There, so the sun's not in the way.
It's a beautiful.
I'm gonna pull up right here. Is that a good view?
Yep. Oh my gosh! This is amazing. First time seeing helicopter actually in real life.
Yeah. I have to look at your phone. I can't see it from here. You're doing a good job. Maybe he's moving over to pick something up.
He is. That's a log.
Yep.
It's a log.
It's probably a light pole.
Oh yeah, I see that.
It's cheaper, I guess, to rent a helicopter than to carve a road into wherever they're taking this pole.
They're like, this is my pole.
And
They're
then
like, the alien invasion is taking the
Yep, there you go.
Wi-Fi. No, not the Wi-Fi.
It's not the Wi-Fi, it's
Stop.
electricity.
Well, the Wi-Fi.
But then they have linemen that hook up the electricity, carry a spool of wire into the woods.
We gotta chase the Wi-Fi
and they just
down.
hike in.
We gotta chase the Wi-Fi down. Quickly, go. Come on, truck.
You want me to get going?
Sure. Why'd you turn your handsets on?
Because I was pulled over to the side of the road. Oh, the truck that's supporting him is right behind us. We should probably get moving. We don't want to slow down that guy. He's trying to do his job. Whoop!
Oh, I hear it. It's over there.
Have a full arm. Weird.
Where do I see?
Oh, yeah, he does. Oh yeah, they're taking it right there.
I can't see.
Here, let me give you it. You keep an eye on the guy standing in front of us. All right, we gotta go. Here. You look up there.
Oh yeah, I see a light pole, and then I see the helicopter.
That's kind of cool. Always an adventure up here, isn't it, buddy? There you go.
Yeah! Woo!
Did you notice how it had two blades?
Yeah.
That was kind of cool. And they kind of go, rub, rub, rub. They could, like, if they got the timing wrong, they'd hit each other.
I know. That's why helicopter guys are really precise.
Well, it's not the helicopter. It's the engineer who designed that helicopter and the mechanic that keeps it running.
Whatever! Whatever.
As a former wannabe engineer. That's neat. Are we still filming?